Assalamu alaikum. My name is Madia Khalid. I have recently did my PhD from the Department of Pharmacy in the field of pharmacology and toxicology. I did my PharmD from Pakistan and then MS from Mahidol University, Thailand. Luckily enough to see the profile of my professor, who is one leading expert in the field of pharmacology and toxicology. When I came in Tehran, I found the education system and the accommodation, everything is so comfortable, especially very secure for the girls. And the girls from all over the world, especially the Muslim girls. Iran is very good in the field of basic research. We have very established and well-developed basic research laboratories in almost all fields, especially in nanotechnology and pharmacy. And even if a person is interested in epidemiological study, they can come here for doing chemistry or biochemistry. So people are the faculty is very well equipped. They are trained from different European countries and they have a very good experience in the field of research. So this all attracted me a lot. Students, they just are asked to focus on their studies. There is no problem for the security. There is no problem for their food. They get their lunch at their dormitories, or even if they are wherever they are working, if they're working in the labs or if they are working in the hospital, they have easily accessible. The students are coming from all around the world. There are students from Nigeria, Ghana, Uganda, from Kenya, from Japan, Canada, Indonesia, Pakistan, Afghanistan, Iraq. There are it provide you a multicultural aspect, and all are living very nicely. Even students are Muslims or non-Muslims, they are all well accommodated at one place, giving respect to each other and providing a very healthy environment for them to study. We have a library which is well equipped with all the databases online, and also the very recent books are available there. Internet is available at the dormitory, at the offices, at the department. So you are because after Corona the things are further changed to the online from the classrooms to the online classrooms. So we were not having any problem in shifting from the face-to-face classes to the online classes, because the system was in place. I was also happened to work with a patient in the Sina hospital. I have few classes related to the advanced therapy, and this was also very good while working with the patient in the hospital and learning new things. If you are interested to learn any subject or any area, you can ask your supervisor or request your department. They can arrange any subject of your interest, and they allow you to and make you available for that. Because my work was, the basic research was related to the cell culture, and I requested my supervisor. They allowed and arranged a session of more than 1 month into another research speciality, which is they were expert in the field of gene therapy and the transplantation, and I learned the skill of a cell culture over there. Alhamdulillah, I feel that, and I'm very much confident that after graduating and after holding a degree from the PhD from this university, I feel that many opportunities have been open for me to work not only in Pakistan but also abroad, because Tehran University has developed all such skills in me.